Honda introduced the EV Outlier concept, an advanced prototype that explores the next stage of electric motorcycle engineering. The concept represents a rethinking of two-wheeler architecture optimized for electric propulsion rather than adapting existing internal combustion layouts. The EV Outlier features a low center of gravity and revised chassis geometry designed to maximize stability and control under electric torque delivery. The vehicle's packaging utilizes a centralized battery module positioned low in the frame to improve weight distribution and cornering performance. Honda engineers focused on achieving a gliding ride quality through precise throttle mapping and regenerative braking calibration, producing linear acceleration and deceleration characteristics unique to electric drive systems. Its dual-motor configuration and independent torque management are expected to enable adaptive traction control and customizable performance modes. The concept integrates an electronic control unit that synchronizes power delivery, braking, and chassis dynamics to maintain optimal balance across varied riding conditions. The rider interface incorporates a high-resolution digital cluster, real-time torque and lean angle monitoring, and camera-based rear-view systems replacing conventional mirrors. These features are part of Honda's evolving human-machine interface strategy aimed at increasing situational awareness and data feedback for performance analysis. Although specific output and battery specifications have not been disclosed, the EV Outlier concept demonstrates Honda's direction toward a dedicated EV platform emphasizing structural efficiency, modularity, and advanced control integration, positioning it as a technical benchmark for future electric motorcycles in Honda's lineup.